Hey guys, today we're going to be making our Christmas cookies. Let's go guys. First of all, we're going in with our butter. Then you get your mixer or your spatula and mix this. Then I'll go in with my sugar now. And I mix. To get a very fluffy cupcake, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be separating the egg whites from the egg yolk and put them separately. Then I mix everything before we go to the next stage. Now I'm going to be putting in my vanilla flavor. I'll be adding in baking powder to my flour. And I'll turn it into we are done mixing this. I'm going to be sharing it in two because I want to put in my red velvet food coloring in one, then the other one I'm just going to be leaving it as plain vanilla. So I'll be putting the vanilla into this piping bag. Just cut it all the way through. Vanilla. Then I'll set this aside. I'll now measure in my velvet food coloring. I always love the spatula. A baker, you don't have this kind of spatula in your kitchen. Oh my god! Because I love using it. It does the job perfectly for me. Put in another piping bag. And I'll put it inside now. I cut this out and I pipe it. Show you guys the quantity. They are now ready to go into the oven. We're going to bake this for 15 minutes. This is after baking, looking yum yum. you.